Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to cross out and import cells in Google Sheets. This tutorial shows you how to cross out import cells in Google Sheets. It helps you visually mark unused or unavailable cells in table, making your data cleaner and easier to understand. So let's begin. Step 1. Select with import cells, then click the border icon, border style. Example shows this style, then horizontal border, and again apply step 2. Click to the cells, insert drawing with some moment. Choose the line tool, double line, and click anywhere. Hold shift, 2 pixels, red color, then right click on your mouse, copy, press Ctrl V for paste. Then again right click on your mouse, rotate, then save and close. Increase or decrease the size, move anywhere, OK, and apply. Select all data range, go to format tab, conditional formatting is importing, choose color, red, done. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.